Dr. P.K. Goyal and Ms. Nanki to please come on the stage and unveil this report. More about this report, and I'm sure all of you want to know a little more about this report. So I would like to call upon Ms. Nanki. It is totally up to you, ma'am, but please come on the stage and say a few words about the report.
Value ensure this opportunity to be knowledge partners for this very interesting and a very upcoming and sunrise sector. This report essentially intends to highlight two aspects of the sector. The first part being how M&A is being used as a tool to poise for future growth. Strategic M&A, really, more than anything else. And the second part talks about the enablers and barriers faced in the domestic economy as far as the sector is concerned. I hope you all enjoyed this report. I would have loved to read out the report, but it's a bit of a lengthy procedure. If you have any questions, we have our office address right here, and we'll be very happy to answer them. Thank you.
We want to see them personally. कौन है, किस चीज़ के लिए award मिला है? So let us move on to the next category that we have, which is the Logistics Promoter Award. Promotion के बिना कितनी ही अच्छी चीज़ देना हो, incomplete हो जाती है. So promoter is also very important. Therefore, we have designed this award. It will be given by Raji and Professor Veni Mathur. Please, sir and ma'am, come on the stage so that we can bestow the awards to the achievers. Mr. Rajiv Bharadwaj, Group CM Conquer, and Professor Veni Mathur. The award goes to Shri Balwan Watts Warehouse Developers and Collaborators. Congratulations! Congratulations, sir. Achiever Award. सभी achievers हैं, but ये कुछ खास हैं, कुछ special है, इसलिए हमने इनको इस category में रखा है. I would like to call upon Shri Sati Raju, CEO Dell X, to please come on the stage and receive your award, sir. I would like to call upon Mr. Panirag Murthy, GM Operations and Patel Roadways, who gets the Logistics Achiever Award. It feels great to be a part of the award ceremony, and obviously receiving the award would be super fantastic. Thank you so much, sir, ma'am, for being on stage. The next set of awards, and the award goes to, the Logistics Achiever Award goes to Shri Lokesh Anand, Director of ACF Group. Congratulations, sir. be present on stage and receive the right award, the right person. I would like to call upon Shri Dalip Singh Rathod, Chairman, SKCC Group. We won't let you go this time. Mr. Dalip Singh Rathod, Chairman, SKCC Group, you receive the Logistics Achiever Award. Now I would like to call upon Mr. Amit Gulati, Director, Mudita Cargo. You also receive the Logistics Achiever Award. Congratulations! It is the Talent Hunt, Logistics Talent Hunt 2012 International Conference and Award. Now this particular category, it sounds good, the category is fantastic. It says Most Upcoming Passenger Transport Manager of the Year. Most Upcoming Passenger Transport Manager of the Year. एक तो passengers होते हैं, उस पर से उनको manage करना, so passenger को manage करने के लिए आपको साल का best award मिला है. May I call upon Selvan Dasaraj to please come on the stage. Mr. B.L. Bajaj to be here on the stage and give away the awards. Indian Railways North and General Secretary, CILT India.
Yeah, they're open.
Now, what is the award? The award is, हम किसी डिपार्टमेंट स्टोर में गए सर, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा सब कुछ, मगर जब साइज मांगा अपनी पसंद की चीज का या वही पर्टिकुलर कलर मांगा तो प्रॉब्लम एक होती है, इन्वेंट्री खत्म है मैडम. दिस इज अ कॉमन मैन्स प्रॉब्लम, ये मेरे साथ तो बहुत होता है. सो ये जो अवार्ड है, ये है इन्वेंट्री मैनेजर ऑफ द ईयर. इन्वेंट्री मैनेजर ईयर ऑफ द अवार्ड गोज टू मिस्टर वैभव गर्ग, सीनियर मैनेजर लॉजिस्टिक्स एट CL Infosystem. Congratulations, sir. And Logistics, Careeria Pharmaceuticals Limited. He gets it. Congratulations, sir. The next award goes to Mr. Deepak Katiyar, HR Head, CELBI. Oh, sure. Over to you, sir.
Ji and Goel sir. I just wanted to support the lady. She spoke the word CELEBI. It's Celebi, and Celebi is a Turkish company. C is used as cha, so it's Celebi. Let me correct you. We have entered India for the last 3 years. We are operating at Delhi International Airport and Mumbai International Airport. Thank you.
Production we do, unless and until the right warehousing is not done, everything is incomplete. It goes back to zero. It goes to Jubian, who right hands down. here and giving away the awards to the achievers, to the right candidates who deserve it. So, may I have you on stage?
Esteemed jury members, very senior industry captains, distinguished guests and participants, ladies and gentlemen. It is my distinct honor to join this esteemed group of India's and indeed the world's best logisticians who gathered here to take part in this great event. I would like to thank CILT and T2P consultant for inviting me to speak with you. This event provides me with the opportunity to reflect on our achievements in the logistics sector and to explore future directions for its development. Much has been said about the field of logistics, what is the definition of logistics, as it has developed, as we face it in the daily life. But I would like to take you back a bit to the late 80s when this concept of logistics was becoming very, very important for India. Or it's the bad luck that demands have been subdued in last 3-4 years following recession. If recessionary trends had not affected India, external sector of India, then I think we would have been in a very, very deep problem of incapacities, of insufficient capacities affecting our trade very badly. Today also, as most of you would know, Indian ports have handled 9.8 million TEUs this year in 11-12. Out of these 9.8 million TEUs, around, I'm sorry, I'm not going to, I'm presume for the first time, I think in many years, this year, port traffic has actually dropped from 560 million tons, which was handled at ports last year, 570 million tons, this year it is 560 million tons. There has been an increase in container traffic to the extent of around 8.5%, but the increase is, there are estimates that $100 billion is the size of our logistics industry today. 94% of it is unorganized. Only 6% is organized. How to take this industry forward with the proper talent? I'm very, very happy to see this initiative. Earlier there have been some initiatives which have borne fruit. I salute railways. Railways have an organization called Institute of Rail Technology. That organization was the first one to start the courses of multimodal transport almost around 20 years back. They give diploma courses on multimodal transport. These are basically long courses which are very, very useful. We are getting a lot of people from these courses who have done these courses, and their standard is much, much different. But what we are talking about here, when we are talking about talent, is the talent at the grassroots level. Drivers, training of drivers, training of warehouse supervisors, warehouse managers.
And now let's move forward. Let's take the award ceremony to a next level. Odissi is the classical dance form from India.
Te